Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a level 40 irritator from Jurassic World the game. So I hope you get to follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our level 40 irritator, we're going to begin with the face. I'm going to start right here and we're just going to begin by making a little line. It's just going to go down and then it's going to come back like this in a check mark shape. Next, we're going to make a line that's going to come down and up for the eye. Starting here, we want to make a line that's going to come up and then down, very pointy at the top. Next, we're going to make a nice long snout that comes down. It's going to come up to a point and then curve down. Then we're going to draw a line that's going to come back. We're going to go up and then down. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down. And then we're going to go down and then bring it back up. Next, we're going to bring this line up and we're going to curve up to here. Draw a little curved line for the back of the mouth. And then we want to fill it up with some nice sharp teeth in here. We'll do it along the bottom too. I'm going to add a little curved line here with a little line right here for the nose. Now, starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come up and then down for the back of the neck. We're going to come down, and then I'm going to bring this line all the way down here for the tail. We're going to bring it to a point and then bring it back up. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down and up for the neck, and I'll do this a couple more times just to show a few little wrinkles. And then a little line that comes down. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that comes down, and another line that's going to come down at an angle. And then I'm going to make another line that's going to come down, and then it's going to come down here at an angle. Next, we're going to make a line that's going to come down, it's going to come up to a point, and then back up. Another one's going to come up to it's going to go over and up, and then one more right here. Then I'm going to bring this line down here. Next, I'm going to draw this line over. And then we want to work on the back leg. I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's going to come down, and then it's going to angle back. Then we're going to angle this one the opposite way. I'm going to make a long line that comes out to a point and then back for one of the toes. Then we'll make another one that does the same thing and comes back. I'll make one more right here, and then I'm going to bring it up. Bring this line up to a point and then down. Then we're going to bring this line up here, and then we're going to angle it back up here. And then I just want to connect this line right here. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down, and that's going to come in and then down. I'm going to make another line that's going to come out to a point and then bring it back. Then we'll add one more here and bring it right to this foot. Bring this line up to a point and then down. And then we're going to bring this one up. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line down for the other arm. And then I'm just going to kind of leave it like that, just kind of like the other arm is behind it. We can add a little line that's just going to come down and back for one of the little claws. And I'll do another one right here. Now, starting up here, we want to add the kind of big fin that the irritator has. So I'm just going to make a line that's going to go up, and then I'm just going to make it kind of bumpy and a little bit pointed like this. And then I'm going to slowly get down towards the end as I come over to the leg. So right as I get to above the leg, I'm going to make it end. So just kind of come up to a point and then down. I want to make some long lines that are just coming down here. And there's also going to be some spikes. So we're going to make some small spikes right along here. They're going to get a little bit bigger as they come up to the fin. They're actually going to go up the fin, and we're going to have some right along the back of the fin here. So we're just going to add these all along. And then they're going to come down the tail, a little bit more spread out, and then getting a little bit smaller as they get towards the end. Now here's our basic shape of our irritator. We just want to come in here and add some of the different details. So I'm going to come in here and add just a quick little tongue, and then I'm going to add a couple little lines underneath the eye. I'm going to make a long line come down here. Add a little curved line on the claws, and then definitely some curved lines for the feet with some extra little lines on here. I'm going to add some more curved lines and then some more little broken lines on here. I'm going to add some little lines coming up the back. And then a couple little curved lines right around here. Maybe a couple by the chin. And then I'm going to make just a couple more coming up here. And there you go, there is your drawing of a level 40 irritator. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed.